Welcome back. Today we set up the environment Morph uses to build, run, and validate our app. We pick up where we left off. Our approved project spec. First, Morph asks how thorough validation should be. Hi builds, tests, and health checks every milestone and runs the original app alongside to compare behavior. That's what we want for production. So, hi. We save, and that kicks off environment setup. Morph allocates a cloud sandbox, clones our repos, installs its tooling, and starts working on an onboarding plan. That's several minutes compressed to a few seconds. The setup agent shows us its plan. 4 steps. A Docker file to power the sandbox, the lifecycle commands, extra scripts like length and coverage, and optional acceptance criteria, quality gates for every PR. Notice this isn't a form you fill in. Morph explores your repos and builds the config with you. Step 1. The Docker file. A specialist agent reads our repos and builds a container image for the project. .NET, Go, and Node, all in one sandbox. And here's the part I like most. When Morph hits a real decision, it asks, should the backend start with .NET Run or .NET Watch? Separate steps for backend and frontend or combined? And what counts as healthy? Three quick answers and it confirms the setup, then keeps validating. Now it verifies the whole lifecycle end-to-end. And here's the result. 9 lifecycle scripts: install, build, run, health check, test, coverage, and more. Each one is real bash. You can open it, read it, change it. A cool detail here. Morph discovered this app generates its API key into SQLite at first run. So it wrote an auth check that reads the key dynamically, and it flagged that for us. Everything is written up in a lifecycle document. Architecture, phases, quirks, documentation your team keeps. The generated Docker file lives here too. Read-only, but updated through chat. With the environment validated, our roadmap is live. 8 milestones unlocked in order. And every milestone gets its own spec before any code is written. Design decisions, risks with mitigation, scope, about 10,000 lines here, and the APIs it hands to later milestones. Happy with it? Approve and start. Morph gets to work. Next time, executing and reviewing a milestone.